Jared Kushner, once a senior advisor in the White House and a key figure in shaping U.S. policy, has now set his sights on a new frontier. After leaving the world of politics, Kushner is making waves in high finance, quickly establishing himself as a player to watch. He launched Affinity Partners, a private equity firm backed by billions in global capital, and is now setting ambitious goals for its future. One of those goals? A massive buyout of Electronic Arts, the video game giant known for blockbuster franchises and a global fan base. This isn't a small investment. Kushner's firm is leading a syndicate of powerful investors to buy the entire company, a move that would shake up the industry. The deal signals a bold and calculated move into the global business arena, with Kushner aiming to make Affinity Partners a household name. If the deal goes through, it would rank among the year's largest and most talked about acquisitions, drawing attention from Wall Street and beyond. It would instantly position Affinity Partners as a serious new force on Wall Street, capable of competing with the biggest names in finance. By targeting EA, Kushner is betting on the explosive growth of digital entertainment, a sector that's rapidly outpacing traditional media. The gaming market is now bigger than movies and music combined, and its influence continues to expand across generations and cultures. This isn't just about buying a company, it's about seizing a stake in the future of how people play, connect, and experience entertainment. Kushner's move is about owning a piece of the next wave of interactive entertainment, where technology and creativity merge in new ways. The stakes are high, and the world is watching Kushner's next move, waiting to see if this bold bet will pay off and reshape the landscape of global business. Electronic Arts, or EA, is a titan in the world of gaming, with a legacy that stretches back decades. Founded in 1982, EA has grown from a small publisher into one of the most influential companies in the industry, shaping how millions of people play and experience games. The company is best known for blockbuster franchises like Madden NFL, FIFA, Battlefield, Apex Legends, and The Sims, titles that have become household names and are played by fans around the globe. EA's reach is vast, spanning from hardcore action fans to casual gamers and families. Its games are enjoyed in living rooms, at esports tournaments, and everywhere in between, making it a true powerhouse in the entertainment industry. Behind every hit game is a massive team of developers, artists, and designers, all working to create immersive worlds and unforgettable experiences for players. The company's revenue comes not just from selling games, but also from live services. Think in-game purchases, downloadable content, and ongoing digital updates that keep players engaged for years. This business model ensures a steady stream of income, keeping money flowing long after a game's initial release, and allowing EA to invest in new projects. EA is publicly traded on the stock market and valued in the tens of billions of dollars, making it a prime target for investors and a major player in the global economy. Owning EA means having control over some of the most beloved and profitable gaming franchises in history, with a loyal fan base and a proven track record of success. That's why Kushner's bid to acquire EA is making headlines and capturing the attention of both gamers and investors worldwide. Kushner's Affinity Partners isn't acting alone. The Saudi Public Investment Fund, one of the world's largest sovereign wealth funds, is a key backer, bringing deep pockets and a growing interest in gaming. Silver Lake Partners, a top private equity firm with tech expertise, is also in the mix, adding credibility and operational know-how. Together, this trio forms a formidable alliance. Kushner leads the Saudis fund and Silver Lake strategizes. Their combined resources and expertise make their bid for EA a serious contender. This is how modern mega deals are made, by uniting political connections, global capital, and industry smarts. The world of gaming and finance is colliding on a massive scale. The goal? Take EA private. As a public company, EA faces constant pressure from shareholders and quarterly earnings reports. Going private means fewer owners, less scrutiny, and more freedom to make bold, long-term moves. The buyout, valued at around $50 billion, would be one of the largest ever in gaming. Private owners could restructure, invest in new tech, or push into new markets, without Wall Street breathing down their necks. After a few years, they might sell EA or take it public again, aiming for a big return. It's a high-stakes play for control and future profits. News of the buyout talks sent EA's stock soaring, a clear sign Wall Street believes the deal is real. Investors rushed to buy shares, betting on a lucrative payout if the acquisition goes through. The excitement on the trading floor was palpable, with analysts quickly updating their forecasts and financial news outlets buzzing with speculation about what this could mean for the broader market. This move is part of a larger trend. Big deals are back in 2025, with companies making bold bets despite recent market uncertainty. After a period of caution, corporations are once again pursuing ambitious mergers and acquisitions, signaling renewed optimism about the future. The appetite for risk is growing, and boardrooms are buzzing with talk of strategic partnerships and industry shakeups. Other massive mergers like Union Pacific's $85 billion rail deal and Keurig Dr. Pepper's acquisition of Peet's show renewed confidence. These headline-grabbing transactions are reshaping entire industries, creating new giants and challenging old assumptions about what's possible in today's economy. Investors and executives alike are watching closely, eager to see who will make the next big move. For gamers, a private EA could mean big changes to their favorite titles and new ways to play. There's speculation about more exclusive content, faster innovation, and even shifts in how games are developed and delivered. Fans are both excited and anxious, wondering how this new chapter will shape the future of their beloved franchises. For Kushner and affinity partners, success would cement their status as major players in private equity. Pulling off a deal of this scale would put them on the map alongside the industry's biggest names, opening doors to even larger opportunities and attracting attention from global investors. The deal also highlights the video game industry's rise as a top-tier investment rivaling movies, music, and real estate. With gaming revenues soaring and audiences expanding worldwide, investors see the sector as a dynamic engine of growth and innovation, not just entertainment. All eyes are on this game-changing deal. Will Kushner pull it off? The outcome could set the tone for future megadeals and redefine the landscape of both gaming and finance.